Hello everybody, this is Stephanie and I am here to show you these, they're calling it tongs I believe, but these are, and they do look like tongs. These are what I would use to, to serve, to help serve some hors d'oeuvres or something at a party. These, I want to thank the people who sent this to me. They sent it to me for my honest opinion, and I'm going to give you a review on it. So this is what I'm thinking. It comes in this carrying case, which is nice. I guess you could take this to some kind of party or whatever, and they're in there nicely, or you just keep them in here to keep them nice when you need them. But they do look like they look like tweezers, almost big tweezers, but they can be definitely used when you want to pick up certain things. Even if you want to pick up noodles or something, you can actually pick up the noodle with these things. But I was thinking about, if I had my party, that I would use them in this manner. Now this is just some brownies I have. They're miniature brownies, but I can use these to pick the brownie up, or anyone who uh, wants to eat at my house can use it to pick a brownie up. So if it's not too big, you can actually really pick up things just like that. But I really do see these for like some noodles or lo mein or something like that you might want to use that for. But they do come, you can use it for this. As you can see, my guests can pick this up without using their fingers. They can pick up the brownie with no problem. So I am just here to show you this product, and thank you to the sponsors who sent this to me for my review. So thank you very much.